Hello, do you know the answer to this question? What is the square root of 81? Okay, if you don't know the answer to that question, that's fantastic, because that's why I'm here to help. All right, so square roots, they sound complicated, but they're actually very easy to work out. Okay, so what do square roots mean? Square roots mean when you times a number by itself to equal said number. And that's what we're trying to find out today. What number do you times by itself to make 81? So let's have a go. Let's go big. Okay? Let's go 10 times 10. Okay, what does that equal at home? Well done. That equals 100. Okay, but that's too big for 81. So the answer can't be 10. Let's go a little bit lower. Let's go, I don't know, 6 times 6. All right, 6 times 6. That's a little bit too low now. That actually equals 36. So it can't be that one. So let's go a bit bigger. What about 9 times 9? Okay, see if you can do that at home before I finish writing it out. 9 times 9, yes, that equals 81. So the answer must be 9, because 9 times 9 equals 81. Okay, so use that information, play the next game, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!